Electrical faults are abnormal conditions that can cause equipment damage, fire, electric shock, or system shutdown. Let's look at the most common types of electrical system faults. First is a short circuit. This happens when current takes an unintended low resistance path, such as phase-to-phase or phase-to-neutral. The resulting high current can quickly trip a circuit breaker or blow a fuse. Second is a ground fault. This occurs when a live conductor comes into contact with earth or grounded equipment. Ground fault protection helps disconnect the circuit and reduce the risk of electric shock and fire. Third is an open circuit. A broken wire, loose connection, blown fuse, or open switch can interrupt the circuit. When the circuit is open, current cannot flow and the equipment may stop operating. Fourth is an overload. An electrical load draws more current than the system is designed to handle. Motors may overheat, and overload protection can disconnect the equipment to prevent damage. Another common fault in three-phase systems is phase loss. Losing one phase can cause motors to overheat, lose torque, or stop. Always isolate power and follow proper electrical safety procedures before troubleshooting. Understanding these faults helps keep electrical systems safe and reliable.